YouTubers and all those happen to watch. That was a sound of agony and pain. But no, this is Rooms, the Main Building, a Steam edition, which I'm assuming this game was originally a mobile game because it started in a window mode that would practically be the same size as a tablet device. Now this looks like this is a portion of the United Kingdom. I have never looked up this company who made this, so they're probably based in that said fracture of the world. There's absolutely no volume control other than me muting music, but the music itself was freaking loud, so I had to mute that, and hopefully it won't be so freaking loud on my end and your end. So let's begin. Without time limit, because I'm just being lazy. I don't like the pressure, man. Alright. So much for that. Shit, that's loud. Oh my god, make this end. This is loud. Wow, that's loud. You have no idea on my end how loud this is. Probably gonna be fucking intense in your end, but my end is like boom. Oh, there has to be a way to turn this music down. Alright. So far, the puzzle isn't so bad, besides my eardrums exploding, but... I just repeated the same thing again. Yep, I did. I totally did. But yeah, that's basically the game in a nutshell. It's not bad. I kind of like it. At the same time, my eardrums are just in pain right now. Like, I never felt this kind of pain before. It's like my eardrums gave birth to dissonance. Like, I have to stop playing this right now because my eardrums are literally hurting, like, really bad. But anyway, I mean, the game's not too bad. It's affordable. But, yeah, take it easy if you find it cheap. Get it. Cool. I need to go clear out my ear.